Good morning everyone and welcome to another day on holiday. Elisa, what are you up to? She's doing My Little Ponies on my phone. Oops, there we go. She's doing My Little Ponies. If you see these on my Instagram, this girl just takes my phone, I'll do My Little Ponies, and then she makes me take a picture of her, and then she literally just puts ponies all over it. Anyway, we are having a beach day today. And we're just driving, and look at this amazing cloud. We are so high up in the sky that we can see these amazing clouds on the mountains. We don't look that high up because the mountains around us are really high as well. Anyway, we are going to the beach. What beach are we going to? ALMUñÉCAR. And we went to this beach years ago, and it was really cool. There was like big mountains, not mountains, big rocks to jump off into the sea. So we're hoping that that rock's still there and it hasn't like eroded away or something. Do you reckon it will have eroded away in like 5 years? No. Has it been 5 years?
Probably more than that.
Probably more than that, innit?
The two walking.
Wow.
One Closer, one Twilight.
Oh wow.
So it's been more than 10 years.
Yeah. Wow, more than 10 years.
That's crazy.
Wow. Anyway, yeah, so we've been here before to this beach, so we're just wondering how much it's changed. Oh my god, I've never seen like lots of farmers working before. That's so cool.
Mom.
I don't know what they're doing, but there you go. Farmers. Isa is a happy bunny this morning, aren't you? He's obsessed with Elisa's little baby doll that recently. What's that?
Mommy, baby.
Is it a baby? Oh, it's so cute.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Look. This one's for last year. When we put this in.
That's so cool. Tell me about your baby, Isa.
It's a baby.
Yeah, it's a baby.
My heart can't handle this voice.
Yeah, it's like, why are you treating her like a baby?
What's this?
Yourself. You need to be baby.
Oh no! Her hair fell off. Isa, your baby.
That's my baby.
That's your baby, yes it is. Look at Elisa's My Little Pony, beautiful My Little Pony thing. Anyway, we are going to see you when we get to the beach.
Mommy.
So we have just stopped because we are going to McDonald's. If you could see how happy I am right now without this mask on. Elisa needs to go to the toilet, so we're going to take her to the toilet, and we are also going to get some bits and pieces like water and stuff for the beach, which is going to be nice. You're going to have ice cream from McDonald's?
Yeah.
Good girl. We just got to the beach. We are here about to go and see what it's like on the beach. Everybody else is here already. I think we just got back from Lidl and stuff, so we got some snacks and that. Guys, Isa, look how cute Isa is. He's so adorable. Bye. It's not sandy, darling. This way, baby, this way. We're on the beach now. It's very pebbly. You okay, girls? Lisa, do you want to put your swimming costume on and go to the sea? Yeah. We'll do that now, come on. We've just been having some snacks like bananas. They bought some of these tomato empanadas, crisps. I got these in white chocolate. Oh my god, can't wait to try them. I got some water, some tomatoes and some chocolate in there. Also got this. Zach, I got this because the girls love it. And then I got some fresh OJ, got some blueberries. I got some cold coffee because I need it. I'm going to get Elisa ready to get into the sea and we are going to go for a little paddle and maybe just jump in there. Feel like it because I'm hot. We had the best time in the water. Girls, did you enjoy the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, these guys loved it so much. Maya especially. Maya's swimming and everything. She's amazing. Manny, you got scared of the fish, didn't you? Even though there weren't any. The fish are all the way at the other side of the ocean. About 100 feet. So we will be good. There's boats out there with slides on that you can hire. How cool is that? Luna and Isa are putting stones on Wahid's back. Oh my gosh, they're actually throwing them.
Big one.
Guys, be careful! Don't throw big stones. Oh, she's got a big one. Oh,
No, we don't throw stuff.
Elisa, are you enjoying the water?
Put it down.
She didn't want to come out either. She was like, let's go have a drink and then go back. So we're just having some snacks and stuff so that we have some more energy to go back in the water, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there anything else? Give me the Everton.
There's a guy over here and he's got these really cool towers, stone towers.
I was trying to make
He's
one.
walking away, but look at his towers. They're so cool. He's just put like stones on top of each other and made them stand up really cool. How amazing is that? We have been swimming in the sea for so long, me and Elisa. Lisa's just been chilling here, but we are gonna go head out to get some ice cream or something because it is so hot. We need to get some ice cream. That beach trip was really good, guys. It is really hot, like I'm dying right now. Kids have got a bit of ice cream and we are headed to McDonald's to get some lunch because we are a bit hungry. Hopefully they'll have some interesting things that are not in England. Nice, thank you. We're in McDonald's.
This is my favorite chip.
Elisa, you want a chip? Do you want a chip? Yeah. Say thank you. What do you say?
Thank you.
They're hungry, aren't they?
Yeah.
Got me those reds. Got it, reds. In McDonald's, they've got this little station where you clean your hands when you come in, and then there's this lady who tells you where to sit and tells you one person is allowed to go and order at one time. That's their social distancing measures in this McDonald's, but they didn't have a lot of like halal friendly stuff, so I've just got a fish fillet meal and then I've got chips and ice cream and milkshakes for the kids. That's what they want really, isn't it? Isn't it, baby? Oh, look at him, he just wants chips. You guys can have his chips when they come. Thank you. This is what I got. Coffee and ice cream, fish fillet, Coke, buffalo sauce. Lisa's got an ice cream, Elisa's sharing, and she's also got a milkshake, and I got wedges and fries as well. Look who we bumped into. Say hi, guys.